What is up, guys? I'm back making a new Roblox scripting video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a little like a little health bar GUI in the bottom corner. So yeah, let's get started. So the first thing we're going to need to do is make the GUI. So we'll insert a screen GUI into starter GUI, and we'll rename it to we'll just call it to HUD. If you already have one, then you can just add the health bar in there. And we're just gonna add a frame in, and we're just gonna scale it up to something so it's like not too like tall, just so that it's like pretty good size. Alright, so that seems like about a good size. And we'll make this background color to 255, 0, 0, so that it's red. And inside of it, we'll insert another frame, and this will be called this will be called health, and we're just gonna set the size to 1, 0, 1, 0. So it should just fill up the whole entire thing for now. And then we're going to change the color to the background color 320, 255, 0, so it's lime green. And yeah, so it should just look like this for now. Also, we can rename our first frame to like health bar frame. And now inside of our health, we're going to want to have a text label with a size of 1, 0, 1, 0. And we'll rename it to health text. And we'll just make the background transparency to 1. And we'll do like something like text scale to true, font to source sans bold, text color to white, and stroke transparency, text stroke transparency to 0. And I guess we'll just make it say 100 out of 100 for now. Yeah. So now what we're going to do is inside of our health, not the health text thing, we're going to have a local script. And in our local script, we're basically going to make a variable that stores the player. So local player is equal to game.players.local player. Now this, since we're in a local script, we can just get the local player directly. So it'll be different for every person. It'll just be them. Then we're going to do local character, because we're gonna need to get the character so that we can get the humanoid, so that we can get the health, so that it will like change according to that. So we'll do local character is equal to is equal to player dot character. Alright guys, so we'll drop 2 lines and we'll do while wait do script dot parent dot size is equal to udim2 dot new character dot humanoid dot health dot value slash 100 0, 1, 0. Cause yeah, so we're just gonna take what the health is and just divide it by 100. So if it's 100, then this will just be 1, because remember, max size, like to take up the whole of this bar, we need 1, 0. So let me just set it back to that. Alright, so yeah, that's why we have to like divide it by 100. And then this 0, 1, 0. That's just the offset, and then the y-axis, and then the offset again. But we're not changing the y-axis. So that's it for that part. So if we test this, we can't test this because I can't lose health right now. So I'm just gonna insert a Actually, no, I'm not gonna even do that. I'm too lazy to do that. I'm gonna just go to my models and just find a kill brick I made a long time ago. All my models are just what I have. I mean, what I've made. So, yeah, you can always take a look at those. I think that you can get them all. Like, just make this red so it looks more like a kill brick. Alright, so I think that this is the good one. Yeah. I remember one of I think my first script that I made was like, to make it so that like those, I was making knobbies, so it was like, or yeah, cool. Alright, so I'll tell you in a second. Player GUI HUD health bar frame health local skill. Oh wait, my bad. We put the stop value, but we shouldn't have because it's not like an int value or anything. Also, let me just go into my script. Oh yeah, this was epic. Don't change anything. Yep, I'm gonna change stuff. Alright, so basically, I could have just did the normal way, but I didn't feel like it. Alright, but basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do hit.parent.humanoid.health minus equals like 10, and we're gonna do script.parent.disabled. Script that disabled is equal to true. Then we'll do like a weight of like 1.5. We'll just do a weight of 1 actually, and then we'll do script.disabled is equal to false. That was just like a better way of, I guess it's a better way. I just like it better because it's a lot easier, especially like easier to understand for you guys. Just disable the script when we touch it, and then after a second we'll put it back so that we don't just get spam fired. Alright, but see, I lost 10 health, and also the bar is going back up. And yeah, let's just see. Oh, okay. So that's that's the only problem. You got this health text thing, so, and what we okay, we have it as we have its parent as health. Let's just put the parent health bar frame so that it doesn't scale down when our health like tick bar thing scales down. All right, so now let's go back into our local script since you saw that worked. And we're just gonna drop one line. We're just gonna make it so that the text changes. So we'll do script.parent dot size. Not size. Script.parent dot health text dot text is equal to character dot humanoid dot health dot not dot actually yeah, 2 dots and for concatenation, and then in our string we're just gonna do /100. Yeah. Alright guys, so let's test. We hit play here. Oh yeah, also, so what I was saying before, one of my first scripts is like, so I was making an obby game, so I wanted like one of those disappearing stairs things, so that was my first script that I've ever written, like to make the part disappear and like not disappear, like reappear. And even though it was like really simple, I was like really proud of it because it was my first script. Alright, so pay attention and we're going to test. Alright guys, well that's going to be it for today's video. If you enjoyed this video and it helped you out, please remember to leave a like and subscribe. We're trying to hit 250 subscribers by the end of this year / the end of December. It really helps me out a ton, so please do that. 90% of you guys who watch my videos are not subscribed. So please do that and turn on notifications so that you never miss out on a new Roblox scripting video. And I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye.